Easy to install Carplay. Align the bracket with the slot on the back of the unit and fit it. Peel off the stickers on both sides of the sticker panel. Find the right place to stick it. Connect the device to the car charger and press the red button. Click FM transmit of the device. Tune the frequency to FM frequency without programs. Turn on. Find the device Bluetooth in the list. Click Connect. Confirm the pairing codes and click on Pairing. Turn on WLAN in the pop-up prompt box and confirm the Wi-Fi connection. Carplay connection completed. Turn on WLAN, turn off Bluetooth. Pull down the screen and click Screen Mirroring. Select AirPlay for pairing. Pairing completed. Real-time map GPS navigation. Click Settings. Click Smartphone. Android system smartphone. Click the Android device and tick Android Auto. If Apple iOS, click Apple device and tick CarPlay. Connect the USB cable to the CarPlay screen and phone. Click CarPlay or Android app to synchronize play. CarPlay connection completed.